We are about 10 days since her last trim. You can see this Artemud. I've been treating her feet every day. It's been super stormy and muddy, and it's dried out a little bit the past like 2 days of no rain. So I'm gonna go ahead and give her a touch up. She's getting her x-rays done in 2 days. So really looking forward to that. That's nice. This central sulcus, it's not super deep. I'm happy with that. There's a little, really the deepest crack is right there. Today the goal is to bring these heels back a little bit. So by back, easy. Come on. I've got a brand new rasp here, and I am bringing the heel surface back. So the whole weight bearing is coming farther back onto her foot. Do the same thing on this side. Bringing this height of this heel back. Okay, I'm gonna bring this one back a little bit more. So I've brought that heel surface much. Now what I have to do is taper these bars to match. I'm not taking too much on the bar, but I don't want all the weight bearing to be on the bar. And still with this in mind, I want to keep this little quarter arch in. It's really gonna help everything grow out well connected. Relieve that pressure there. There we go, she's being good. I'm gonna let her set it down. I'm not gonna do much to this frog this time because I did clean it up recently in between the last trim. This is a little bit high right there. And this whole sole is shedding out, but I don't want to force it. I'm gonna bring this toe back again. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna smooth this all out. Made sure to leave these heels with, even though I brought them back, I didn't take them down too much. And she does have this flare here, so I do want to relieve that pressure on that flare. Right, set it down. First time putting her foot forward on my stand. I'm gonna smooth this. Whoever had trimmed her before rasped way up here, which is just completely unnecessary. Should never rasp more than like a third up the hoof wall. And I probably usually don't go more than a quarter. Here we go. This sole has shed more here. This piece had popped out earlier, and there's this left. I will take this bar down somewhat, but I'm not going to leave this bar so much higher. I'm gonna take it down, not all the way. And I'm gonna come sight my heels here. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm pulling the weight back. I want there to be more weight-bearing surface farther back. Oh, good girl. I'm pulling this back slightly to even it. And I want, again, with these huge flares she's got, I want this quarter arch in here. And I will rasp just this sole to the same height the wall is because it's sticking up. But I'm not gonna fully pop it out. I'm gonna come around. I don't know if I'll nip. Easy. Yeah, good girl. I don't know if I need to nip because this is a pretty new sharp rasp. And I'm just coming straight down at the toe here. A little bit right there. Straight down at the toe. I'm gonna bevel the rest of this from the top. I'm coming around here. I'm just gonna clean up this frog a little bit, not too much. I have been treating in these little pockets and I kind of just want them to grow in. I'd rather not cut a bunch of frog out. Maybe her frog will shed soon, but I want to leave it right now. I don't think I'm gonna use the nippers quite now. I want to bring this heel back. And whatever bar height comes with it, like I don't want the bars to be higher than the hoof wall. I'll let that be trimmed. And I'll come just a little bit to make sure I'm not taking a lot off here. Just a little bit. And I want to make sure she has these quarter arches in, especially where she's growing out these flares here. And I want to bring in this flare. Same thing on this side. The flare is worse on this outside. So I'm gonna bring this toe back a little bit more, not a ton. We're getting her x-rays tomorrow morning, so I will maybe do more after that. But considering that, I'm just gonna keep it mellow today. Do similar on this side. I'm trying to pull these heels back a little bit. If you look, the back of the heel is way in front of the back of the frog. She's got these little chips here. And take this toe back, keep it back. It's what I'm gonna be really consistently doing as she grows out a whole new foot, probably every 2 weeks. Not letting this toe get long. Keeping it back consistently without being too short is what I have to stay on top of to help this foot grow out.